Hello everybody, my name is Kashish. I recently completed business analytics course from Certisured. Honestly, it's been an incredible journey where I learned how to make sense of data to creating reports and dashboards and drawing insights from that. Other than that, the instructors have made the complex concepts into simpler ones so that it is easy to understand for me. Along with the course, I had exposure of as a Power BI instructor where the workshop was conducted. Overall, it was a very I have to say it was an amazing experience. uh, there was never a point where I got bored. I had fun learning the concepts, and I'm also preparing for the interview. So yeah, that is it. I want to thank the Certishort team for this. Thank you so much.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Shamita HP. I'm from Navkis College of Engineering, Hasil. At Certisured, it was a fantastic experience as I was passionate about ML. I got the way how it should be done, and it was a very good. I was exposed to real world projects as well. And coming to this complex data sets and all, from complex data sets to diverse machine learning applications, I was taught everything. Coming to my mentors, they were very supportive, and they have helped me through complex subjects, and they have helped me to grow in industry, how it works. And I'm thankful for all the mentors, all the people who have helped me.
Hello everyone, I am Triveni Patil and I have taken Agentic AI course at Certisured. It was a great learning experience. This course helped me to learn more about AI agents. The practical sessions helped me to learn more about practical knowledge and helped me to improve my skills. This course have given opportunities on hands-on project which helps me to improve my practical skills and new things. Coming to trainers were very friendly. They used to clear doubts and they were very friendly and the session were very interesting. Learning never stops. Every new skills opens a new opportunity. Thank you, Satishwar.
Hi, my name is Praveen. I used to work as a data scientist, and in general, the scope of work I was involved with was analytics and traditional machine learning. I was feeling left out to the industry standards, and I was looking for a course which could bridge this gap. And that's when I found Certitude. They basically tailored a course involving deep learning, generative AI, and implementation of AI ops on cloud. Just the way I wanted, with more hands-on projects, and this has worked really well for me. In fact, I have cracked multiple offers with a minimum of 100% salary hike. And honestly speaking, what matters is how much effort you're putting into this and how diligently you're following the process set by Certisured. I hope you guys will also find the success, and all the best, guys. And thank you, Certisured. It has really been a very nice experience. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Gangadhar and I took up a business analytics course in Certisured. So we learned SQL, Tableau, Power BI, advanced Excel as well as advanced statistics. So my experience here has been great overall. I find that the faculty and the teachers are extremely dedicated, and they really care about how we are learning things and how we are able to upskill ourselves. Other than the normal class hours, they also take out their own personal time and help us to address whatever concerns or doubts we are having. So overall, I find that anybody who is looking for learning business analytics or looking to grow their career, I think this is a really good place you can come in for your learning. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Deepika. Have taken the Agentic AI course at Certisured and it's been an amazing experience. I learned how to build an AI agents and they don't just respond. They actually think, plan and take the actions by their own to solve the real world problems. A big thanks to mentor Vijay sir, Pallavi ma'am, Prithvi ma'am and Nidit sir and the whole team for guiding and supporting me has been truly inspiring. This course is also preparing me for my interviews and the future work as well. It's truly exciting to be learning and technology that's shaping the future of work. So Investing in ourselves in such an institution will definitely going to pay the best interest. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shreyas. I'm a tech survey individual from Mysore, Karnataka. So I have completed my graduation in Mysore. The graduation was BSc Computer Science. So after that, I came to Bangalore and in Certisured, I have completed the data analysis course. So the all over experience of the Certisured was very nice. So coming to the stepwise, so the first step was SQL. So Ankush took part in that. So he explained every single concept very nicely. So we somehow currently we are not working in SQL, but every single steps that we used to concepts and steps we used to work in SQL. We can still remember that. So even though if I'm not working in SQL currently, so I can get any projects if I got any projects, so I can work easily. So that's only because Sakishore. So the faculty is completely very good. After that, the second part was Python. Even that was completed by Angus itself. So even Python, NumPy, and Matplotlib, all the data analysis type of he explained every single concept queries. And after that, coming to the Power BI part, Malcolm Gowda explained every single concept in Power BI very nicely. So currently in SPI, where I'm working in Excel and Power BI. So every like, but day by day, the experience it's
This is Pranavi Gumala, and in Certisured, I took 1 month Microsoft Power BI. So basically, this teaching actually included both practical and as well as theory. I took a computer course, though I am a BBA student, because I wanted to keep up with coming up computer courses, and I know that Power BI is actually the top rated course nowadays. So first thing, the management was really cooperative. They actually gave me suggestions and as well as they appreciated for my work. I shared that the application of the customers also matter in the sales. As like the IT sector is 37 million and healthcare 32 million, followed by aviation 31 million. It is because the large number of customers are there under these three occupations. And at last, I would like to say that I took this course during my summer vacation. So I would say that my holidays went very much productive in this organization. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Likita. I had a bit confusion about choosing the course. Then I got to know about Certisured through online platform. Then I contacted Vijay sir and he guided me very well. And then I took a data analyst course here. Throughout this data analyst course, I had a good experience and I learned so many things like EDA, SQL, Python, and this Excel. I really want to thank Vijay sir and Praveen sir. Thank you, sir.
Hi, my name is Dipendra. I'm from commerce background, and about 2 years ago, I was a little fascinated towards AI and ML industry, how it works. So one fine day, I got across to the institute called Certisured, and that's where I got the consultation from Mr. Vijay and Mr. Praveen, and they helped me getting know how the things and how the world of AI works, right from the data wrangling to the deployment of how the final projects gets done. And I felt the projects which I have done and whatever I have been taught in the Certisured was really helpful for me. Currently, I'm placed with a good healthcare company in US, and I would say thank you to Certisured and Mr. Vijay and Mr. Praveen who helped me throughout this journey. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Varun NB and I'm a mechanical engineering graduate and I graduated in September 2022. And I found interest in data analytics and data engineering aspect, and which falls under the category of data engineering. And through the online platforms, I got to know about Certisured, and I joined Certisured, and they explained me very well on the topics which fall under data. So from here, I learned and I got into SQL and Python and with visualization as well. So Vijay here taught me a lot about data engineering. And then during the end of the program, I got exposed to placement opportunities. And then I ended up getting into Volvo as a data engineer, and I'm very satisfied with it. I would like to thank Certisured for it.
Hi, myself Bhumika. I completed my BCA, graduated in Haley College. After that, I joined the data analytics with Python course in Certisured. After that, I extended my internship for 8 months as a data analytics and business intelligence with Python and SQL. I really appreciate the mentors so that they supported me very well and keep me motivated every minute. The support from my mentors at Certisured. Because of their support, I got 3 offer letters from different companies. I'm really wishing you the good luck for the Certisured students, and don't forget to come up with your new Python skills and be a good product for the society. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Chandana Care. I had great learning experience with agentic AI course at Certisured. The course content was well structured, easy to understand, and covered both fundamentals and the advanced concept. The hands-on experience and the problem solved helped me to understand how AI agent can solve the real world problem. The trainer explained the concepts clearly and they were so supportive throughout the learning process. This course has increased my confidence in building AI powered applications and motivated me to explore more advanced AI technologies. Thank you, Certitude, Vijay sir, Pallavi ma'am, and team for giving such an opportunity to explore more things. Thank you so much.
I am Kiran. I'm here for the data analytics course at Certisured and had a fantastic experience. Our instructor Vijay sir is not only knowledgeable but also incredibly helpful. Despite having no prior knowledge in this data analytics field, he made every concept very easy to grasp. I highly recommend this skill especially for the beginners who want to pursue their career in data analytics domain.
Hello everyone, I am Khushi Jimnan. I have completed a 5 month course of Android development from Certisured, where my mentor Vinay D. Shetty taught me Android development right from the scratch. He also provided me a solid foundation in core Java, which helped me understand Android development seriously. Thank you.
Yeah, my name is Anusha, and I finally completed my first of data analytics course in Certisured, and I can tell, I can give you 100% that this is the best institution for this course. Not only this course, there is many future marketing courses conducted over here, and I would take a moment to appreciate all my faculties who have helped me through this journey, and thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka. I'm happy to share my experience at Certisured Institute, where I recently completed my full stack data analytics course. Firstly, the curriculum was comprehensive and well structured. It covered all the topics which was needed for our data analytics, and our instructors were highly knowledgeable and well trained in their respective fields as well, and very supportive. And overall, I would like to say I had a positive experience at Certisured Institute, and I would highly recommend anyone who is interested to dive into the field of data analytics. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Varshita, currently in my final year BCA. I have recently completed my full stack data analytics at Certisured. The course materials provided by institutions were well structured, both practical experience and hands-on projects were the significant part of the curriculum. It was overall it was a good learning experience. At last, I am looking forward for my placement drives with respect to data analysis. Hello everyone, my name is Varsha and I am pursuing my final year PCU. I completed my full stack data analytics course at Certisured. I had an exceptional experience. The trainers were highly knowledgeable and were very supportive and friendly. The classes they were prompt in conducting the classes and made sure everything was done at the highest standards. Also, I am looking forward for the placement drive in my respective field. Overall, I would recommend this institute for my reliable service.
Hi guys, my name is Utsu Kumar D. I've learned in Certisured about business analytics with SQL and Power BI. So my experience was good because instructions were doing very well. And first of all, when you come over here, they take you aptitude test which you have to pass. So this aptitude test will know how much knowledge you have. According to that, they customize your packages and as well as the courses also. So my experience was good. Hope your experience will also be good.
Hi, I am Kalyan. I am an MBA graduate, and here I am in Certisured Institute to receive the certificate for my completion of data analysis course. And coming to data analysis course, which is one of the most trending courses right now. And the Certisured offers the best thing in out there because of the expertise on teaching and the knowledge that the instructors carry. They give you the best over there. And you will be learning the courses like Python, SQL, and Power BI, which are the latest materials. And that's the basic course which you can opt for, and you can become the expertise in data analysis of the course that's Certisured. Join out to Certisured and make your path and boost your career by learning service.
I mean, I really wanted to learn data science concepts because I'm from an engineering background. I didn't know anything about data science, etc. And after joining Certisured course, they taught me about the basic concepts, starting from Python, Power BI, SQL, how to do databases, and they help you with Git and a bit of machine learning as well. If you're willing to ask, and if you're really dedicated enough to learn more, you can generally join Certisured course, and they will help you with when the teachers are like really enthusiastic about teaching each and every single basic concepts. And yeah, with the help of, I'd like to thank genuinely Malkana and Sumer sir, Ankita ma'am, and with the guidance of Vijay sir, I was able to learn quite a bit. So yeah, if you're willing to join and if you're willing to learn, Certisured is the way.